Hi everyone, this is Annindita Palaus. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in line with my previous video about manifestation using the law of attraction. And in this video, we will be talking about vision boards. Actually, vision boards and manifestation using the law of attraction kind of goes hand in hand together, because one of the very first step in manifestation that I discussed in my previous video was to get clarity about what you want to manifest. And a vision board can act as a great visual tool or projector to project out into the world, to the universe, as well as a mental constant reminder to yourself, to your subconscious mind. You don't even have to consciously look at the vision board for a few minutes every single day. Just the fact that you have created a vision board and it is somewhere there in your house, and you are passing by that wall all the time, just looking at it, can help a lot. And it can help your subconscious mind to be working on it even when you are not consciously working on it. So before we get started, just a quick reminder to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And without further ado, let's get started on the step-by-step method to create your own vision board. If you have big dreams and aspirations, a vision board can be a powerful tool for manifesting your desires into reality. A vision board is a collage of images, words, and phrases that represent your goal and aspirations. It serves as a visual reminder of what you want to achieve and can help you focus your thoughts and energy on bringing those desires to fruition. In this video, we will explore how to create a vision board for manifesting your dreams. And the first step is set your intentions. Before you begin creating your vision board, take some time to reflect on your goals and aspirations. What do you want to achieve in your life? What are your dreams and desires? What areas of your life do you want to focus on? Write down your answers to these questions and be as specific as possible. The second step is to gather your materials. To create your vision board, you will need some basic materials such as a poster board or corkboard, some magazines, newspapers, or printed images that represent your goals and aspirations, scissors, glue or tape, markers, pen, or any other art supplies for decorating your board if you want to. You can also use digital tools like Pinterest or Canva to create a digital vision board if you prefer. Although I would highly suggest to create a physical vision board which you actually hang in your room, maybe in your bedroom or your workroom. If you work from home, in your home office, if you want, you can even have it on display in your living room. Some people might be too private and they might not feel comfortable doing that. It could even be a small little board that is in your bathroom. It doesn't matter, but I personally feel that a physical representation is better than a digital one. Step 3 is to find images and words that inspire you. So start flipping through some magazines, newspapers, or printouts of images that represent your goals and aspirations. Look for images, words, and phrases that resonate with you and inspire you. Cut out these images and words and set them aside. Step 4 is to actually create your vision board. So once you have a collection of images and words, it's time to start creating your vision board. Begin by placing your main goal or aspiration in the center of the board. Then add other images and words that represent the steps you need to take to achieve that goal. Be creative with your layout and design. Use different fonts, colors, and textures to make your vision board visually appealing and inspiring. You can also add personal touches like quotes or affirmations that deeply resonate with you. And step 5 is display your vision board. Once your vision board is complete, display it in a prominent place where you will see it every day. This could be your bedroom or your home office or any other space where you spend a lot of time. The key is to make sure that you see your vision board on a daily basis so that it can serve as a constant reminder of your goals and aspirations to your subconscious mind as well as to your conscious mind. Step 6 is to take action. Creating a vision board is just the first step towards manifesting your dreams. The next step is to actually take action towards achieving your goals. Use your vision board as a source of inspiration and motivation, and take concrete steps towards making your dreams a reality. For example, If your vision board includes a picture of a new car, start saving money towards that goal. If your vision board includes a picture of a tropical vacation, then start researching destinations, setting a budget for your trip, and making other arrangements that you would have to make. By taking actions towards your goals, you will be one step closer to manifesting your dreams. Creating a vision board is a simple and effective way to manifest your dreams and desires. By visualizing your goals and aspirations on a daily basis, you will be focused and motivated towards achieving them. So follow these steps to create your own vision board and start taking action towards manifesting your dreams today. So let me know in the comments below if you're already using a vision board and your results with using a vision board. If not, then share some of your own unique ideas that you plan to use while creating your vision board. I look forward to reading your comments. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, then like it, share it with your friends and family, and remember to subscribe to this channel. Also, if manifesting your goals is something that you are currently working on, then you might also like watching my video on manifestation and the law of attraction. The link is also down below. You might also want to check out my Abundance Revolution program, which is all about creating abundance in every area of your life. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll be back soon with some more informational videos like this one. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.